This is Bristol, a city teeming with life, a city full of independent, creative people with thousands of things to discover, a city that I'm proud to call home. I know that Bristol is full of amazing experiences. So why was it that there was nowhere that made it easy to find and book these things? Yuup started with a simple mission. It's easy to book a local restaurant, a cab, or cinema tickets online. We set out to make it just as easy to book local experiences. When I started talking to hosts about selling through Yuup, it turns out they needed help too.
We take care of the marketing, payments, customer service and diary management, leaving them free to earn money as hosts.
In less than 12 months, we've developed a proprietary technology platform, sold 17,500 experiences, and built a community of over 22,000 people. There's a place for Yuup in every town and city, and we're raising money on Crowdcube now to help us expand across the UK. The market opportunity is huge. The leisure market in the UK alone is worth £52 billion a year, and the gifting market a further 40 billion. We know that consumers increasingly value experiences more than material possessions, and we don't just help people book experiences that already exist. We bring new supply into the market all of the time, from existing businesses and from individuals looking to earn money by sharing their passion with others.
Our workshops and foraging walks introduce people to the amazing properties of plants you can find right here in Bristol, as medicines, as cooking ingredients, or even for making cocktails. The platform is so easy to use. They take care of all the marketing and make it really simple for me to manage things like people, numbers, prices, and contact the people who are coming along. Yuup helped me turn my hobby into a business, and healing weeds is now my main source of income.
If the last 2 years have taught us anything, it's the importance of community. Yuup isn't just a great business idea, it's a business that really makes a difference, bringing people together and supporting local independent businesses. And that's what's helped us to create a brand that really resonates with people. We don't just sell experiences, we celebrate the power of community. We remind people that great things happen when we say, "Yuup, let's do it."
Yuup has all the characteristics that we're looking for as an impact investor. There's a huge potential market that's ripe for disruption. They've got evidence of customers who love the product and want to use it again. And there's a fantastic management team who not only has the passion and vision to see this through, but has a lot of experience in pulling it off. But even more than that, this business has the potential to have huge positive impact on the ground. When you're spending money locally, you're supporting people who live close to you, you're supporting your local community, and you're getting money flowing, which benefits everybody. Now that Yuup have proven both the platform and the impact here in Bristol, we're confident that it can be scaled both to the UK and globally. We're excited to be part of that future.
Our plan is to take Yuup to 10 more cities across the UK, and that's just the start. We've identified 50 further cities across Europe where Yuup can connect independent businesses with adventurous customers.
We know that amazing things happen when people say Yuup. Businesses flourish, friends spend more time together, and communities thrive. We're on a mission to bring Yuup to millions more people across the UK, and we'd love you to join us.